Hi everybody, it's Gary from Designer Walls and More. We're starting making these videos for YouTube, Facebook, etc. Just to explain a little bit more of where the business has gone. As you know, we're Designer Walls and More Limited, and I want to tell you a little bit more about the more side of the business. Luxury products, stuff you can't get online, etc. Stuff that, you know, a special order. Right, I want to introduce you to Maier, which is a luxury brand from Spain. And they specialise in a collaboration with Swarovski. As you can see, I'll explain in a minute, but there's quite a lot of different heads you can actually get. Like any decent product, it'll come with some kind of certification. This is no different to a decent watch where you'll get an emblem in there with a tag. Go on the internet and they'll prove that it's genuine Swarovski. No such thing as real entry level, but these taps start with a tap called Muse. Modern tap, very stylish, and it's got one nice chunk of Swarovski. Now this is the cheapest version of this tap, purely because it's one piece, machined only once or twice, done. Single lever, that's the way it is. It's just a normal tap, and that's the way it is. Now it's called Muse Diamond. You can have Muse Diamond in tall for vessel basins. You can have a wall-mounted mixer, and there's a couple of shower valves. So it's quite limited because there's not a great deal you can do with Swarovski. Right, so that's the Muse full diamond, well, the big diamond. Here we have same tap Muse again, but this is chic or chic. It's a single lever, but as you can see, it's got delicate encrusted Swarovski elements in the tap head. There you go. Beautiful work as well, by the way. And that is chic. So as you can see, the back four tap heads here, we've got Muse ring. Just looks like a ring, that's how we tell the difference. We've got Muse full, so it's all full, all inset by the Artisans there at Maier. Gold. What's nice about the gold is the inner ring, you know, the diamonds or the Swarovski elements pick up the gold going through, so it gives it a slightly goldy tint in the elements. And they've got a mixture like a fusion. So if you're using the chrome version, it'll have darker elements. If you're using the brass versions, there will be some more bronzy coloured, not bronzy, it's more like, what's the word, amber elements in there, just to get the feeling of it. Like I say, so these are the three main versions that come with it: chic, and the tall, and the shower valves. Now they move on to a little bit more real luxury end. I'll just give you a little flavour. We're just going to go around the corner and look at a 3-tap-hole mixer on some Bergdorf furniture. Okay, so what we have here is 3 taps. The one you see in there is Cryos. Now, because it's on chrome, there's no colouring. If you have Cryos gold, you get an amber tint because it's got gold. And that tap format in there, you've got that modern centre head. If you want the classic, it's really more style, more curved and a bit more flat, really nice. You've got 2 options. You would have the classic or the modern. So that's Cryos. Then we have Arctic, which is a real bit of kit. You know, if I flash it around there, it really does pick up the light. And heavy as well. Then we have Jewel. It's like a crown jewel, beautifully cut. And the one that's the current favourite is Iceberg. This is real luxury end, but it's still not a lot of money in comparison to just say cut glass. This is Swarovski. There's even, which is say for another day, from the beautiful island of Murano. They look like the Fabergé eggs, and I'll get those out one day. And just to give you an idea where these prices start, for example, the Muse with the large diamond in it is roughly around about £300 in chrome. Okay, thank you for looking. I hope you enjoyed it.